Exploring the wacky side of yesteryear, this is History Hiccups. Fashionable Europeans wore beauty patches to cover smallpox scars or pimples. The 18th century's answer to Photoshop. Queen Elizabeth II, she trained as a mechanic and military truck driver during World War II. Albert Einstein. He was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but he declined. Michelangelo. He disliked painting the Sistine Chapel so much that he wrote a poem about how much it tortured him. Nikola Tesla. He fell in love with a pigeon. Yes, a pigeon. He claimed it was a true love like no other. Beethoven. He counted out 60 coffee beans for each cup of coffee he made, believing it was the perfect amount for an ideal brew.